in the gym. Whoa, my geez, oh my God. There's a girl. There's 3 boys. Does it look like snow blanket? They make a snow blanket? Yeah. Oh my God! There's a girl. There's 3 boys. Yeah. 2 baby dolls and 3 pets. Yeah. That's kind of how many girls. Boys. Yeah. 2 baby dolls and 3 pets. Yeah. That's kind of how many girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls. There's 6. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2 more girl pets. 1, 2. It's the same. 3 boys. Lily. We tried to open them up. I want to open it already. 2 fashion bins. Okay, if you say so. I don't know this number. 17. What's the prizes? If you say so. I don't know. If you say so, if you open it. I like her clip. I think we have her, and our what I got for my birthday. I want to see the back. It's the same. See? It's upside down. Yeah. It's the same. Ow! Oh my God. This is really big. Yeah, I can get it off so fast. Yeah. We're going to open the LOL Big Surprise. And you can see it's big. And it's LOL Big Surprise. But I don't know it has a big in it. Maybe it's because it's big. Anyway, Kenny, what does this say? LOL Surprise. L, L, O, L. LOL! Okay, as you can see, there's 2 fashion dolls, 3 boys, and 3 girls, and 4 pets, and 2 babies. There's 3 LOL dolls, and let me count. 1, 2, 3. And there's 3 LOL dolls. I mean 3 LOL girls. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there's 2 babies. 1, 2. And there's 2 fashion dolls. OMG dolls. And you see heart and then a line. And I like her ribbon. And you can also carry. And I forgot to tell you how many pets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pets. down. Open it. Let's pull it. Let's push it out of the box. Yeah. I got this side. Okay, pull it. Oh my God, stop! I can't do it. You can't do it that way. I think there's something else. Yeah. Oh my God. That's okay. There's instructions. Let's get it out. There's like the. I'll do it later. There's the portrait, but you need to find the stickers to put them on. Here's the stuff. What's for the dolls? What you need to do. But it's nice you already know what to do with them, because if you already have an LOL and you know what to do, so you don't need to follow these. And here's the map. The map. There's so many pages. Oh my God, how many pictures are there? But anyway, I like the numbers on their house, but there's two. I think one's Uptown Girl and Downtown Girl. I think that's their name. Whoa! Guys, it's like the map. You see? There's that. And that. And that. And there's like everything. There's a pizza in it too. Where? Oh, I see it. Yeah, it's a heart shape. It has two different flavors. It has two toppings on. Two toppings, but them are not the same. No. We have to match them at the same, but we can't. Should we follow an order? Yeah. Let's follow the map. Let's see if we can follow the map. Yeah. This might be our first time. Oh. Whoa. It's not even a map. Those ones for later. Wow. What? A zipper in it? You might be too small for this. Let's start with the ones what were already done. The big ones are for later, but this one's not kind of big. It's a medium. Oh no, there's nothing underneath because that's free. When we get all of them, I'm going to put it for the side for now on. To the side. It is a baby! Oh, so cute! This one's kind of big. I think it's not enough to, you see? Let me go close. I like the red, the black and blue. Look at this little baby. Can't even show the front. And this, you see? And this, look at this baby firefly. Oh, it's so cute. Can you take that off? There's two of them, so we don't need to fight over now. So we're just going to leave this for when we're done with the whole thing, because we might not have to do it now because we're old. So we're not going to do it now when we're finished. So We're gonna put that onto the side. These heels, I wish I had one on my side. I just wish. Okay. Alright, come on. Okay, what's 4? There's 4 with the, oh yeah, it's here. We have. And then let's open number 5 and 6. Can I open? Did you open number 3? Oh yeah, I can. I'm going to open that one. I can't open this. You can't? No lining. Bacon. And I see who's wearing it.
This was recording, okay?
It's red and white. I mean black. This is blue and white. And here's the picture. So we already know what's inside. What's inside? Do you have a... Can you open this? Oh, it's cute. Can you open this, please? Yeah. Where is it? It's more white. Wow. Give me that. Where is it? Yeah, give me that. You can't wrap it out of it. I got a police. Look it! This is so cute, guys. Oh, guys, I forgot to show you. Guys, Jumbo! It's glasses! Oh, so guys, this shirt goes with the skirt. So we might getting closer. We're like getting closer to someone. Drum roll. Do you guess it's a boy or a girl? You can't see her shoes, but I think it goes with that. Let's put it with that. Can we show it to the boys and girls and big sisters and mommies and daddies and little sisters? Look at boys and girls, daddy and mommy and the big and what again? Brothers and sisters and little brother and sister and little babies. And little girls and boys. And little girls and boys. Da 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 da. It's a boy. Don't hide away from us. Please 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 don't hide away from us. I found this. I found this. I got it. Don't go away from us. I just ran the line. No, no. You know, I don't know if it's like close to 10. I don't know if we said the correct number. Guys, do you? subscribe, like, and share, and hit. This is